This is Alan at Ripperton Resources, LLC. And today I want to show you how to operate a Packout accessory. It's to mount your blower. And this one is the 2724-20. There's two ways to hold this blower. One is to put it on like this, and it has two points will connect to the holder. One is up here and the other is down at the bottom, so this won't fly off. It's held on very steady. And the other is if you just want to set it there, and it will flop around, but it still holds it in place just well. And so the one is, it locks onto this keyhole, or this hole here, and it locks into this area right here, and then this part up here holds it in place. So you just push it on like that, it's locked. Again, just push it on. Mount the holder onto the wall Packout system. It's very easy. You can undo it just by pushing these two levers in and pull it out. To install it, you just push it on and push it down. It's locked in place. Very easy. Notice that there's still room up here, even with your blower mounted. You can put something if you wish, so that gives you extra space.